So generally viruses that infects plants, so if it is infecting the plant, they have single-stranded RNA. So mostly it is single-stranded RNA. For example, this is the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. So this is the single-stranded RNA that is present in the spiral form or the coiled form, and it is surrounded by the protein coat, and this is called the capsid. The protein coat is called capsid. And the individual subunits, they are called capsomeres. So this is an example for a plant virus, that is tobacco mosaic virus. So generally all the plant viruses will have single-stranded RNA. So the viruses that infect animal have either single or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. So it may be a DNA virus or a single-stranded RNA or a double-stranded RNA. So example for the double-stranded DNA viruses, Pox virus, we can see, and then single-stranded RNA is, we saw this coronavirus and also polio virus, are all example for the single-stranded RNA virus that cause disease. And then bacteriophages, for the viruses that infect bacteria that usually have a double-stranded DNA. So we have to be clear in this. So many questions may come in this thing, whether viruses that infect plants. So what type of nucleic acid will be present? So we have to be clear that they are single-stranded RNA. And then bacteriophages, that is the bacteria, viruses that infect bacteria. So what type of nucleic acid we could have? So usually they have the double-stranded DNA. So this you have to be clear about the type of nucleic acid that is present. So and then the protein coat capsid is made of small subunits, that is called capsomere. That's what we saw. And this protein coat, so this is the nucleic acid and this is the protein coat, and the individual unit is called capsomere, and the outer thing is the envelope. This envelope will not be present in all the viruses. Only some viruses will have the envelope, and this is a lipid coat. So in the case of coronavirus, actually they are having an envelope, lipid envelope. That's why we are actually, why are we washing the hands with the soap? Because it will restrict this lipid coat. So it will, the virus won't be able to cause the disease if that envelope is destroyed. So that is the main reason for washing the hands with soap. So the coronavirus is an example for an envelope virus. So the protein coat made of small subunits called capsomeres, and then the capsomeres are arranged in helical or polyhedral geometric forms. So arrangement of this protein, actually it may be in different forms. That's what we saw as helical, or the, if you see the tobacco mosaic virus that we saw, right? Here it is an helically arranged. Here the proteins are arranged in a helical form. So it may be either in a cuboid form or the helical form, and polyhedral. Some it will have the icosahedron. So different polyhedral geometric forms. So capsomeres are arranged in the helical or polyhedral geometric forms. So viruses that cause diseases like mumps, it is an example for a viral disease, and smallpox, herpes, influenza, and AIDS. So they cause the mumps, which is caused by paramyxovirus, and smallpox, it belongs to the Poxviridae, family of Poxviridae. And then herpes virus and influenza, normal flu, and AIDS, which is caused by an HIV, that is an immunodeficiency virus. So these are some of the diseases caused by virus. And in the case of plants, the symptoms can be mosaic formation, that there will be patches on the leaves and there may be leaf rolling and curling, and yellowing of the leaves, that is the leaves will turn yellow, and vein clearing and dwarfing, that is there will be stunted growth. So these are the some of the symptoms of viral infection in plants.